Before I started using Jobber, things were unorganized and they were getting worse all the time. Every time there was a change in the schedule, I wanted to scream because I had to do everything manually. So I needed something to help me manage my business better. My name is Irene Zibin, and I own eSunshine Cleaning in Abbotsford, British Columbia. We've been operating for about 10 years, and we've been using Jobber for the past 4 years. When I first started to really grow my business back in 2017, I hired employees, and I took on a lot more customers, but I was still using like a large desk calendar, pen and paper, and I was continuously scheduling, erasing things, changing the schedule for the staff, and it really became a nightmare. I researched a lot of systems online, software for cleaning companies, but Jobber seemed like the easiest for me to use. Once I started using Jobber, I input all my customers, had the staff using Jobber, and my life became so much simpler. I wasn't stuck scheduling all evenings and weekends anymore. The team loves using Jobber because they simply look at their schedule every day and things are a breeze. Taking payments with Jobber makes it very convenient for my customers because I can just send the invoice, customers pay their invoice, but also Jobber's introduced a new tip function this year, and my team loves it because they're getting some pretty good tips now, big tips. So there are actually two features of Jobber that I absolutely can't live without. One is the recurring appointments that transfer month to month, and the other is automated text or email messages for my customers. Before, I was stuck doing that all the time, but now it's all automatic. Now that Jobber is solving all of my problems, I actually have a life. I could take the dog out for a walk, I could go to the mall, do some shopping. I wasn't stuck sitting at my kitchen counter doing my scheduling. I would recommend Jobber to any small or large home service business. Whether you're a sole operator or whether you have a team, you'll definitely get a lot of use out of Jobber. It's definitely given me more of a work-life balance. I have more time to grow my business.